Do you want to build a list of hungry buyers with a new cutting-edge lead technology that's 10 times more powerful than email? This new list building technology gets up to 300% more opens than email, drives up to 1,000% more clicks than email, uses messages that are 10 times faster to write than email, doesn't require an autoresponder, squeeze page, or lead magnet. And best of all, you can't be banned or booted off by anyone ever. Oh, and you can also add your email leads to this new list technology too. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this work? And how you can start building a buyer list without email today. So here goes. Hi, I'm Chris, and I've been marketing online since 2005. Since then, I've built email lists with millions of people. But I always felt like there was something missing, because email has some big problems. Tell me if this sounds familiar. As an email marketer, you need to worry about creating lead magnets, designing squeeze pages, spending thousands on autoresponders, the techie side of collecting leads, the hours it takes to write out emails, struggling to get opens and clicks, and worst of all, the constant fear that you might get banned by an autoresponder at any time and for any reason. So all your hard work evaporates in seconds in a cloud of smoke. Ugh. No wonder 95% of marketers know they should be list building, but less than 1% do it. So what's the solution? A brand new technology I just discovered called push notifications. Push is a game changer, but a few people even know it exists, and here's why. Now, you might have seen notifications on your phone. You know, those little pop-up messages you get. But did you know you can also send push notifications inside your web browser? In fact, thousands of savvy marketers are already doing it. That's because it plain works. And best of all, it's so easy to do. You simply add one line of code to your website, and when people click yes to sign up, they're subscribed in one click. And from then on, you can send unlimited free push notifications right to their browser instantly. Now, here's how these push messages look. Pretty cool, right? You can include a text headline and subheadline, plus 2 big images. These notifications really stand out. Just look at how they appear on Chrome, the biggest browser. They literally pop up and take half the screen, which is why we're getting results like this with push. Now, there are plenty of push notification services out there, but they aren't cheap, with many of them starting at $49 or even $97 per month. That's almost $600 to $1,200 a year just for the most basic plan. So we know push is the future, but how can the little guy compete and start building a profitable push list today and do it with affiliate marketing, digital products, e-commerce, blogging, SEO, social, video, local marketing, or list building? Well, today, the answer is here. Now here's how it works. Step 1. First, we create our embed code, and we paste it onto our website. Now, whenever someone visits our website, they get an opt-in message. This. Anyone who clicks yes gets instantly subscribed to our list. And yes, this works on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. And yes, you can start building a push list from any website or blog your own. Or you can use my pre-created website templates. Simply copy your embed code, paste it into the website template, click download. Then upload your new design to your website, or use my Push Pages software to create an instant self-hosted website for the fastest setup. And that's it. You now have a pre-created website preloaded with your push code, ready to build leads on day 1. Step 2. Set up a follow-up sequence. Just like with my email autoresponder, you will want to welcome your new leads. And that's where the follow-up sequence comes in. Your messages are sent exactly 24 hours from when the customer subscribed, so they work with your subscriber's time zone for the best opens and clicks. Step 3. Broadcast. Now you're sending autoresponder messages to your new leads. It's time to send broadcast messages. Broadcast instantly, at any time, to any list. So, can you see how easy this is? It's the fastest way to collect buyer leads using the power of push. So you can build a list and send messages with a higher deliverability, higher opens, and more clicks than email. Can you see how new and different this technology is? Building a list has never been this exciting. So, are you ready to take your list building to the next level? Click on the button to get started. You'll then be taken to the order page. Fill out your information on this page and then confirm your payment. Nothing could be simpler. Now is your chance. You can't wait on this. Do it right away so you can start building your list using this new technology. Okay, this video is ending now, so sign up. I guess I'll see you on the inside.